In SQL Server, the raw output of a date and time value isn't always user-friendly. Fortunately, the format function allows us to transform these values into almost any pattern we need by using simple format strings. To start, here is what a standard raw date looks like. It's functional, but not exactly report-ready. By using the uppercase D specifier, we can instantly turn that raw data into a long-form localized date string. Notice how it automatically includes the day of the week and the full month name. If we switch to a lowercase d, we get the short date format. This is much cleaner for condensed tables or UI elements. These standard specifiers are shortcuts. While they are quick to use, their exact output depends on your SQL Server's language settings. My session's language is set to US English, and the date format is the default value for that language. We can override those settings using the third argument, the culture code. By specifying EN-GB, we force the date into a British day-month-year format regardless of the server's default settings. Or we can use ZH-CN to see the standard format used in China. This culture awareness is what makes the format function so powerful for international applications. We can also extract individual parts, for example, using 4Ys gives us the full 4-digit year. And 4 capital M's will give us the full name of the month. A quick pro tip: case sensitivity is vital here. In .NET-based formatting, uppercase M is for month, but lowercase m is for minutes. If your month keeps showing up as 00, double-check your casing. Formatting the time is just as easy. We can use H for hours and M for minutes. Adding the TT specifier includes the AM or PM designator to the end of the string. Finally, you can combine all of these elements into a single custom string. This gives you total control over the punctuation, the order, and the level of detail displayed to the end user. To wrap up, use the format function for high-end display needs and culture-specific results. Just remember that it relies on the .NET framework, so for very high-volume data processing, standard functions like datepart might be more performant. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more SQL tips. You can find all the code snippets used in this video via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.